In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with ClickUp. We'll build a simple automation in Postgres, make that listens for activity in ClickUp and sends those details to ChatGPT, so you can craft smart workflows without writing any code. Start by opening Make in your browser and signing in. From the dashboard, create a new scenario. You can start from a template, but for this tutorial, we'll build it from scratch so you see every step. On the blank canvas, click the large plus button to add your first app. Search for ClickUp, then choose the option that triggers when a specific task or subtask event happens. Make will guide you to create a webhook. This is a secure listener that waits for ClickUp to send updates. If prompted, authorize your ClickUp account. Next, pick your workspace, and if you want broad coverage, select all relevant spaces, lists, and folders. Save your selections, then click Save Again to confirm the module and connection. That double save ensures everything is stored correctly. Now, let's connect ChatGPT. Add another module, search for OpenAI, and select the operation that generates a response from a simple text prompt. Choose the model you want to use and type the prompt you'd like ChatGPT to follow. To pass ClickUp details into your prompt, click into the highlighted mapping area and insert fields from the ClickUp trigger. Start with the event type so ChatGPT knows what happened. And if you want richer context, include items like the task title, description, assignee, or due date. Keep your prompt clear and specific so the response is consistent. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Time to test. Click Run once. Make will now wait for the next ClickUp event. Switch over to ClickUp and perform a normal action, such as creating or updating a task. When the event fires, the data will flow into your OpenAI module, and you'll see a response come back. If nothing appears right away, it simply means no new event has been detected. Leave the scenario running and try a small change to trigger it. You can open the bubbles in Make to inspect the payloads and verify exactly what was sent and received. That's the core connection. ClickUp events are captured by a webhook in Make and handed off to ChatGPT. From here, you can refine the mapping, adjust your prompt, and later expand with downstream actions based on your needs. Once you're satisfied, schedule the scenario so it runs automatically. You've officially connected ClickUp and ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.